What scenery can you see from the window of your home?
Actually, I can see other buildings. In my town, there are lots of buildings, so all I can see is other buildings.
Do you like to watch the scenery from your window?
Not really. I really want to see something greenery like parks from my window, but as I mentioned, I can only see buildings. I feel like I'm living in a concrete jungle.
Do you want to live in a house with beautiful window views?
Of course. Few years ago, when I was living in London, I could see the Shard and St. Paul's Cathedral from my window, and it was absolutely stunning. I wish I could live somewhere like that one day again.
How do you feel when you can't see any beautiful view from your window?
I don't really mind, to be honest. It would be great if I could see something beautiful, but if I can't, I wouldn't really mind either unless the view is disgusting.
I remember an occasion when I had to dress really well. When I was a secondary school student, I had to attend a summer ball. I think I was like 17 years old. All my friends were so excited about the event, so we kind of discussed a lot about what to wear. As my friend suggested to me, I decided to wear Korean traditional clothes, hanbok. It's like a long dress, and I wore one which was in white and gold. The dress itself was absolutely stunning. Actually, my mom helped me buy it. I was in England so I couldn't buy it there, so my mom bought one for me and sent it to me. I heard she bought it in a shop. Well, when I went to the ball, everyone said my clothes were amazing. It was the first time for my friends and teachers to see someone wearing Korean traditional clothes, so they took lots of pictures. Also, they talked a lot about fabric, how gorgeous it was. Mine was made of very silky fabric, so my friends said it looked gorgeous. I kind of felt nice, too. It was a memorable event for me. Does personality affect how people choose what to wear?
I think so. Some people prefer to wear something very common because they don't want to stand out in the crowd, but some people who are extroverted tend to wear vivid colored clothes, something eye-catching.
When should people wear formal clothes?
When they attend weddings, it's kind of a manner to wear formally when someone needs to attend a wedding. Also, I think it's important to wear formal clothes in job interviews.
Do people wear formal clothes more often than before?
I don't think so. In previous years, people always wore very formal suits at work, but nowadays, dress codes in many companies have changed into casual ways, so if it's not a special occasion, it doesn't seem like people wear formally often.
What clothes do university students wear for their graduation ceremonies?
Suits and dress, normally. As they take loads of pictures at graduation ceremonies, they would want to look nice and formal and nice clothes.
Where can you buy formal clothes in your country?
Mostly in department stores. There are lots of brands to choose from, and lots of formal clothes. Also, people buy formal clothes on the internet, as online shopping is more popular nowadays.